Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to send your Solana, SOL, from Binance to your Phantom wallet. This is a simple and quick process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to transfer your SOL safely and efficiently. Alright, let's dive right in. First, we need to copy our Solana wallet address from the Phantom wallet, which will be used to receive our funds from Binance. Open your Phantom wallet on your desktop browser or mobile app. Click on the Receive button at the top of the wallet interface. A list of available assets will appear. Select Solana, SOL, from the list. Your Solana wallet address will now be displayed. Click Copy to copy it to your clipboard. Important tip, always make sure you are copying the correct address and not mistyping anything. If you send SOL to the wrong address, you won't be able to recover it. Once you have copied your Solana wallet address, let's move on to the next step. Open the Binance app or website and log into your account. On the home screen, tap on Assets from the bottom menu. Click on Withdraw to start the withdrawal process. Now, tap on Withdraw, and in the search bar, type Solana or SOL. Select Solana, SOL, from the list. Now, we need to enter the wallet address and network details. In the address field, paste the Solana wallet address that we copied from the Phantom wallet. For the network, make sure you select Solana, SOL. Important note, always ensure that the network is Solana, SOL, and not any other network. If you send your funds to the wrong network, they may be lost permanently. Before proceeding, let's check the withdrawal details. White heavy checkmark minimum withdrawal amount. Binance requires a minimum of 0.05 SOL for withdrawals. White heavy checkmark transaction fee. The withdrawal fee is fixed at 0.01 SOL, whether you are sending 1 SOL or 1000 SOL. For example, if you send 1 SOL, you will receive 0.99 SOL in your Phantom wallet. If you send 10 SOL, you will receive 9.99 SOL. Once you've reviewed everything and made sure it's correct, click on Withdraw. And that's it, guys. You have successfully transferred Solana, SOL, from Binance to Phantom wallet in just a few easy steps. I hope this guide was helpful. If you learned something new today, drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more crypto tutorials, finance tips, and investment guides. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!